Hello, Standard 7. Welcome to History class by Mamta Shetty. Today we are going to the third chapter, Religious Synthesis, Part 3. That is exercise section. But before that, let me give you little review of all this point. We have already completed the introduction, diversity of Indian languages in India, the principle of secularism. Then we went for the Bhakti movement in the south side where is originated, and then in the Bhakti movement second, that is in the north side, then for the west, and then to the east side. After that we went through the Bhakti movement part 3, that was in the central, that you can say in the central part, and in Karnataka Baseswar. We have gone through all this. Then we have also completed Mahanubhav Pant by Chakradhar Swami, yes, who followed his guru, that is Govind Prabhu. After that we have also gone through Do You Know. These were the main composition of the followers of Mahanubhav Pant, or the different books written by the different authors, like Leela Charitra by Mahimbat, and then Dhawale by the Maha Amba, and then Sutrapat and Drishantapat by Kesovas, then Vachanharan by Damodar Pandit, Shishupal Vadya by Bhaskara Bhatt Borikar, and Rukmani Swayamvar by Narendra. Then we have gone through Do You Know, that's the second part of Hindu and Muslim conversation written by Sant Eknath. And then we also went through the Guru Nanak, who was the founder of the Sikkim, the first Guru of the Sikhs. After that 9 Gurus followed him, and the last Guru was Guru Gobind Singh. Right? But after him, they took the Guru Granth Sahib, the main holy book, as their Guru. And then the last topic of this chapter was Sufi sect, which was the sect in Islam. We have also gone through that Sufi saints who believe that the God is full of love, and the only way to the you can say to the God was through devotion. That the main teaching was that love for all the living beings. Yes, so we have completed up to that. So today we are going for the next topic, that is exercise. Let us see now. Let me stop it up, pause it up, and go for the last part, exercise. So before we go to the exercise part, you have to see that, write the related word. Let me see whether exercise is there or what in this. But it's that. Just go through this everything, children, read it up properly, understand it up. For the more information you can refer to the Wikipedia. Very important things are there in that. Yes. So now we go for the exercise. Now exercise first, we'll start with the words which are related. Write the related word. The relation between. Now Sri Baseswar was from Karnataka, then Mirabai was from where? So we know the answer is Rajasthan. Same way, Ramanand was from North India, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was from where? Bengal. Yes, the answer is Bengal. Third one, Sri Chakradhar was from Maharashtra, then Sankara Deva was from where? Assam. So these are the answers. The relation between the first one and the second one. We have to make a chart to show the people and the works related to it, like Bhakti movement. So you and Mahanubhav Pant, right, and Sikhism. So you have to make a chart to show the people. You can see now we have to make a chart like movement, that is Bhakti movement. Yes, so who were the, you make this chart, it will be very easy. People who were there, Surdas, and then the work also, what Surdas work was that, what Tulsidas work was there. Surdas wrote the work Sur Sagar, Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitra Manas. Mahanubhav Pant, this is the next movement, either Chakradhar Swami, he was the person, and who had it, what work he had written, Leela Charitra. Sikhism, right, who was the person, Guru Nanak, and which book he wrote, Guru Granth Sahib. And these, I am giving you this exercise. You can write the answers in your own word. This is just an example for you. Write about in your own words. Sant Kabir became a renowned sant in Bhakti movement. First, Sant Kabir did not attach any importance to the place like pilgrimage, vartas or idol worship. He believed in truth was God. He did not believe in any difference based on caste, sect, creed and religion. What did he preach? Human beings are equal. He wanted to bring Hindu and Muslim together. He opposed orthodox people in the religion. His composition included in Guru Granth Sahib. And because of all this thing, he emerged as a famous sant of Bhakti movement. Yes, see there are 6 points. You can combine these points and write, or you can skip out, but important points you have to complete. Second question, the impact of Sant Baseswar's work on society. So these are the 5 points. Sri Baseswar, he originated in Lingayat sect in Karnataka. What did he do? He opposed the caste system and stressed the dignity of labor. He encouraged the women to participate in this movement. He conveyed the message of simple living, chaste behavior. In which language? Kannada, because that was the language of the people. His devotees, they composed many verses in Marathi, and because of that, his work was a great impact in the Karnataka society. Question number 4, complete the following names. This is a fill in the blanks type, right? They are given Guru Granth Sahib. That's the first answer. Next, it's which you can see that underlining according the word should fit it. Sikhism. The third one, it's Guru Nanak. Fourth one, it's a Mahamant Manmant Swami. Next one, Mirabai. Next one, Ramanand. Yes. And the next one, Kabir. And the last one is Pam. So here we end the exercise session also. So complete this in your notebook. Thank you.